So when you just arrive from the arrival area where all you see all the names, the guard, and you move back out this way. You can either go straight out, but if you want to take the train, you just turn left and walk all the way straight. You'll pass a currency exchange right here, and you can see that the shuttle is actually just there, train shuttle. There'll be also phone cards where you can get your data and activate your phone. So Cellcom, TuneTalks, and Maxis. So I suggest to get Maxis because this is probably one of the better. And just walk straight this way, past Coffee Bean, and this is the lift that will take you to the train station. So you need to go down to number 1. That is taking you to the train station to go to the city. Okay, so turn that way, and this is where the train station is. That takes you to KL Central, which is central. You get the tickets here, or you can buy the tickets through the screen right here. This is where you buy the ticket. You can quickly buy, very simple, click instruction, press KL Central and proceed. Use credit card to pay or digital wallet, and you can just pay, proceed, pay, and you get your ticket at the bottom. The ticket will have a QR code which you can scan through the gate. You just have to go through this gate here and choose A or B. So platform A is KLIA Express. Will take you about 30 minutes straight to the city, and the other one stops in Kuala. So just worry about that. Once you're through the gate, walk towards the train opening and wait for the train to come. Now I suggest to get the express because it takes only 29 minutes to go from the airport to KL Central, the main train station. Once you get in the train, there's a place to put your luggage. Shouldn't be too busy. If you are not at the peak time, find a seat and just sit for about half an hour. Now there is a Wi-Fi as well in the train, so you can access the train Wi-Fi if you do not want to use your data. That will allow you to search for your accommodation or your next adventure in the city. Okay, so now we're on the train. It goes pretty fast. Now and here we arrived. Obviously fast forwarded, and let's see what's next. Coming out of the train, you just go up, follow the crowd. Basically everybody that's coming out is going to go out into the KL Central Station. Most of these people are quite familiar with this place, so just follow the general direction of the crowd. Make sure you have your ticket available because you need to scan that QR code again to get out. So all you have to do is go up this elevator. Wait, yep, going up. Okay, fast forwarding again, we're going up the elevator towards the exit gate. Again, make sure your ticket or receipt is available at your hand, because you're gonna have to scan that through the exit gate, which is right here. As you can see, everybody is going towards that direction, so scan it through that little glass window thing and it will open, and you're out of the you're in the main station now. This is KL Central, the main station that connects all the train network, bus, and also car shares, taxis, and all that. So turn left. This is going towards the where all the train is, and if you just keep going straight, I'm just resetting my phone there. Keep going straight, you will find that you'll be entering the main hall that contains all the different train network. This is the main hall, and on your left you will see the KTM. That's the train commuter, and if you just go forward a little, you will find the train map of Kuala Lumpur, and this is basically, take a picture of that. I'll leave a link to one of this map here. It's very handy to find out where to stop and where to go, the connections of the rest of the towns and cities that you may want to proceed to. Thank you. Hopefully this is helpful. Now for more KL information, subscribe and check out my other videos. Hopefully it will be useful.